In this tutorial, we're going to look through the Snap Dev tool of the building system within Survival RPG Engine. Adding snap points to your building system is a critical feature for ease of use. In most systems, setting these up can be very time-consuming and tedious. Survival RPG Engine makes it easy. Let's go into the Building Master and enable the Dev tool. Simply enable the Debug Setup Mode bool in the Advanced settings. As you can see, this will show you a breakdown of what snap points the given building currently has. Each unique type can have its own color code. If we change the building ID, you can see how it changes. Here we have the wall that has a snap point of another wall above it, and a ceiling on each side. Going into the building data table, these snap points are all controlled by the build settings variables. These variables include a preview mesh you want to snap, its building tag, the actual snap locations, and the color. The snap locations are simple vectors that control where the snap point should exist. Let's make a quick change to see what happens. Here, we're updating the Z value from 400 to 600. If we go back to the Building Master, you can see the snap point has shifted. Let's go through a proper example of how you'd use this. Here we have the pillars that are snap points on the foundation. Let's delete them. Going back to the preview, you can see they are no longer shown as snap points. Taking our foundation mesh and our pillar mesh, let's put them into the world. Once they are both in the world, make the pillar a child of the foundation and reset its position. Now let's move it to where we want it. Perfect. We know we want it at all 4 locations, so we can add those if we want to see how it will look. Looking at the location, it's set to 200 by -200 by 120. Let's go add that into the data table. First, we add a new value to the build settings array and set the mesh. We then go to the building we want to snap and ensure we have the matching building snap tag and add it to the building tag value. We then add in 4 positions for each of the 4 pillars and finally give it a nice pink color, so it's easy to see in the preview. Now let's set the values. Since these are 4 corners, the values are all 4 combination of positive and negative X and Y values. We know the Z is 120 for all of them. Then we simply add in 200 and -200 for each of the positions. Hit compile and we're done. New snap points for the pillars. We can see here that they aren't perfectly aligned, so let's fix that. What I actually want is height of 130 to match the walls, and to 170 rather than 200 for the X and Y. And we're done. Perfect snap points that are stored on the building. No manually setting collision points. No awkward sockets needed. Although this is a basic example, the system supports complex shapes and sizes for unique snap points. I hope this has given you a quick rundown of the Snap Dev tool and how Survival RPG Engine can quickly and easily enable you to create your dream game. This is part 3 of 3 of the building system review. For more updates and tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe.